Wabasha and Winona. For the winter storm warning, heavy snow expected. Total snow accumulations of 3 to 5 inches. Winds gusting as high as 35 miles per hour. For the blizzard warning, blizzard conditions expected. Winds gusting as high as 45 miles per hour. The main impacted area includes Wabasha and Winona counties. The main impact time
This was
for
a
the
double
winter storm
header.
warning from
I
3
can't
p.m.
believe I
this afternoon to
missed
6
it.
p.m.
I can't
Thursday.
believe I missed the first header, but I can't believe I caught the second header.
6 a.m. Saturday. Impacts. Plan on slippery road conditions. Widespread blowing
My
snow could
first
significantly
doubleheader
reduce
in my life.
visibility. The hazardous conditions could impact the morning or evening commute. Gusty winds could bring down tree branches. The dangerously cold wind chills as low as 35 below zero could cause frostbite on exposed skin in as little as 10 minutes. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. Travel should be restricted to emergencies only. If you must travel, have a winter survival kit with you. If you get stranded, stay with your vehicle. The latest road conditions for the state you are calling from can be obtained by calling 511. This is a blizzard warning for the following counties in Wisconsin: Buffalo, Jackson, La Crosse, Monroe, and Trempealeau. For the winter storm warning, winds gusting as high as 45 miles per hour. For the blizzard warning, blizzard conditions expected. Winds gusting as high as 50 miles per hour. Dangerously cold wind chills to 40 below zero. The main impacted area includes portions of central, north central, and west central Wisconsin. The main impact time is for the winter storm warning until 6 a.m. Friday. For the blizzard warning, from 6 a.m. Friday to 6 a.m. Saturday. Impacts. Plan on deteriorating travel conditions. Widespread blowing snow. Gusty winds could bring down tree branches. The following impacts: the dangerously cold wind could cause frost. Evening through Friday night will make travel nearly impossible. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. Travel should be restricted to emergencies only. If you must travel, have a winter survival kit with you. If you get stranded, stay with your vehicle. Visit 511wi.gov for road conditions. This is a blizzard warning. Counties in Minnesota, Houston, and Winona.
Come on. Well, that was a surprise, kind of a little bit of a surprise.